do you do bone augmentation?
The question is, do you do bone augmentation? So what the caller is asking is, do we do any type of bone reconstruction or bone grafting? So absolutely, the answer is yes, we do bone augmentation. The bone augmentation is the term for bone grafting or bone reconstruction. Either you lost bone because of gum disease and that bone need to be augmented, we can do that. Or if you lost bone because of severe gum disease or a tooth being extracted, we can do bone augmentation or bone reconstruction or bone grafting prior to doing a dental implant. So again, talk to your dentist and they should be able to help you. And sounds like you're asking whether I do bone augmentation. I'm hoping that you are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Come see us in one of our 4 of the ToothHQ locations in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We can definitely help you.
All right.